Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to disable pop-up descriptions for folders and desktop items on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So generally, when you're hovering over different files on your system, you notice there's a little area that actually give you some informations about the file that you're currently under and trying not to have the little window that appears right here. So makikita nyo dito mga kaibigan kapag nag-select tayo ng any files. So makikita nyo dito yung descriptions in yung maliit na informations niya. Okay, so for example, yes, sinilik lang natin yan. So pag-pop-up itong kanyang created or size, ganito siya mga kaibigan. Right, so makikita mo dito yung other informations na makikita natin dito sa bawat folder or files. Ayan, so ganito siya. Right, so kung paano ba natin yan i-disable? So all you have to do is to open yung File Explorer. So na-open na natin. Ang next step ay dito lang sa gitna ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung See More. Ito yung tatlong dots, so i-click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung options. So click mo lang yan. And pop up itong folder action settings. So ang next step, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung view. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa view ay dito lang sa advanced settings. So scroll down lang tayo at hanapin natin yung show pop-up descriptions. Alright, ito siya. So show pop-up descriptions for folders and desktop items. So, kailangan lang natin itong i-uncheck. Okay, so uncheck mo lang siya. And then, click mo lang dito yung apply. And then, click mo lang dito yung okay. And then, next step ay try natin. So, kapag nag-select tayo ng items dito, ay wala ka nang makikita dito na small informations or yung details niya mga kaibigan. Alright, so makikita nyo dito na wala na mag-pop up. Right, so papakita ko ulit. So, punta ka lang dito sa tatlong dot. Click mo lang siya. And then, select mo lang dito yung option. And then, dito sa view, select mo lang. And then, back tayo dito sa advanced settings. So, kailangan mo lang i-check itong show pop-up descriptions. Click mo lang itong apply. Click mo lang dito yung okay. And then, try natin. Ayan. So, makikita nyo dito mga kaibigan na nag-back na yung later informations about details sa mga files and folders. Right? So, ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix keyboard slow response pop-up descriptions in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.